Open the image on which you want the highlighted text. Select the text tool by pressing the T, or on the left hand side you can select this icon. Drag and create a text box and type in the text which you want to highlight. Select the move tool and place the text wherever you like on the image. Now on the text layer, just right click and select duplicate layer. Click on OK. Select the duplicated layer and go to window and select character, and on the image press the text tool again and select the text, and from here underline the text by selecting this icon and changing the color to the highlight which you want. Either you can select it in this section, or you can select from the image. I'll select my peanut butter image and select this color and click on OK. Once done, right click on the duplicate text layer and select convert to size, convert to shape. Once it is done, on the left hand side you can select the selection tool, right click on it and select path selection tool. Once you select it, left click and drag this to select the text and press the delete key. Do this again for the peanut and for the butter. Now place your duplicate layer below your original text layer. Now select, right click on the path selection tool and select direct selection. Now what I'll do is I'll zoom into the image and I'll select the top two of this underline. Now in this way I have selected the 2 points. Now you can click on this and drag above. So you can see we have highlighted this here. Again I can select the below two by clicking this two, and again adjusting my highlight. Also I can select the right and left part like this. I'll select the other text. And the last one. So in this way you can highlight the text in Photoshop.